Nyame show bibia okoso hwe Emadek say o subscribe to your YouTube channel na o comment nyame enya wo kese Emadek de babia animapa ane asampa wonko ana ye wo ye mpese ye de ye ho be for nyema ye do ha na ama ye bebre enti babia no kro wo bia no binya Emadek say ye so ye wo ho and the quick one aseba ko mienu bia ekoso na me pese yi na ye di ho enkomo enti mesedo nya botre na nya twen ho ho na yi na ye ni sa nkomo wi efa akete maame ene akete ene bi yu sensemi ho na maame na asen aba mbonten de nsem bi ma asen aba before ansa na be kasa no yenkotie maame no nsem na wokae no bia ye beto aso
ano ayekwa baby adu na do the pick akra no this is the time and this is the time for you angasa be you forget about everything kofa akra no one maame ntrance one papa ntrance moma transparent enye adwuma Ghana paperworks and the higher hwe ngofo bebre tumi bonyu start collaboration ebedu bebi no muntema tom temti so no egu ya ye nim bebre apart from lumba pen etuma survival for all you know be you ngofo hwe o channel ngofo pewasem because of Akete Mpeninsem sanso so na Akete Mpeninsem ngofo penase because will be you ho okoba bia it won't be the same and as so free was na ngofo brufra it won't be the same be you obanyansa for ebu ni be yanka na se mommy dey na be kan dey twato.
Oh, the Mesa Chatua, and the former manager, and Dana Obecasa. O say, wo hana be you, Fro, say, Miss per manager, and Maqualano. And no buy. No buy, na me be you, the Nebusian, or Nima, meaning in your munati, and a walk out. Mequan and Namaho. And a Mokai. Because no pay no, that time no man 300. So I can't say, Sano, 300 no, so you cry a farm manager no. Minima some of Mokai, the following month no, and no 2 more 700. But in some or no concern be you friend says see your sister is buy or where the way we see no my sister say no na wutie no wo you has a manager or can't say or can't say you see a better manager what me to milk buy but in some na see a waka kira no want to man be say your parents ni bibia e buy ya what my bad life say na akwala no na say na me say na akwala no Akete Mpeninsem no would nim de obeye na din no afiri ho e din no na de man no Akete Mpeninsem nya be you na de din ne man no Mpeninsem no na odi so but Akete no ye wonu to day one ya na ye fra ye ba Akete but say you be you no be ka no kra na ne maamo na kokoben ni nyina so bia wo de mko na mko bisa obi a o be ka chese akwala no ko ye nim ne din se ne din ye wendi obi afra na Akete ana Akete maame because we say nyina wo nante kakra otimi so wo chini pa wo so de na wo nante kwa ha wo behu na wo mapagya na ba Akete maame wo ba no na nante wa ya hwe yi o sei akwa obi anim ne din so say wo say wo nim de wo be ya me hu de wo be ye e wo say mo ye mo say me bi wo wesika wo betimi di na akọ wo be court na say wo be court say no me so me court nyame wontimi nye hwe because akwala no ne di mo pa no Mpeninsem no mo nyi firim na two so wo say wo be yi akwala no Mpeninsem Akete Mpeninsem afirim a akwala no still the movies na man for da so hwe nso asem ne ba 3 months ne won twa akwala ne ka na wo so ka wo be pepa bibia free ne page bibia so na yeso hu say wo na Akete no so mun ne bibia ye
asemu mommy sisi a oba no waye public figure waye star ablochirefo nim no Ghana fo nim no and radio station TV station be bia ye kan oba no wasem wabe star of your family sana Yakopon ye na de ofo bi no wahira no ono abe nhira e wo yin mesre se obeba fom ayo oba oye yoye ma o wanye ya wa odia won also try say be you emba also try say obefa kwan bi so now so wa frɛ no so mra na mo mienu nebusua no mo ntena ase say wo frɛ na wa mba so wo di nkan ka so ma frɛ meeting ba ko wa mba e bia ye meeting ti na wa mba no ba wanga sa frɛ no so frɛ no obefa
menim de menim where obefa na onfa but no kura no ntimi nkan wo ha
okay
me kunu na the head of the family
okay
so no sa asem ne de just menim kunu na betena say den aka asem ne but me ntimi ngina ha enka asem ne pempe say me frɛ no ana say
okay and the mesre ukwa no kunu di nkomo na makola ni nti baako mommy mambisa o na eye oba no eye ofi bi you obisa bi you ase the movement is saying and saying like you me fano no yeah obi hebu say
oh me kwa school mu a me kwa otimi bisa ofa ime ho na me say ai na was you but wonye hwe won kasa wonye hwe as that dan bi na o ka che me say ne school kwala na bi kuta smartphone na omo ka kire akwala say se wonni onye we ni comedy ni bi mo na omo akofa akwala bi e fe na esi Mpeninsem a omo ye moving so me kodure na akwala no bisa me asem say ampa say ofa bi you wafa sis akwala bi e fe no esi Mpeninsem and me say ai se or ye de on na ye and also you and me say wo school no nti na omo makwan ya me ma na ye so me can sign also you
which is say hano
wonni me hwe
and say akran do so na ema mu mani hu nso because ebetumi aba say ewiase de he
all right nti no enkomo no nyina anase Mpeninsem de akwakotie aba no mame no eka ensem bi na me mi gina so titiru ene say you ese edin Akete ye friends Mpeninsem no no de ma Akete na mra ye wo no no ba no obi afre akwara no Akete eti uba area mu okura na ye mfe no wendi no problem Akete na ye different no be you ene de Mpeninsem de ma akwara no I don't think say be you agina baby akoka say opese ogi din Mpeninsem fi akwara no in fact be you didi ni kura che akwara no say be you emfa din ncha akwara na anke nye sure say anke bia mo betumi create Facebook page mo be din no Akete Mpeninsem anything na ma be you first of all or change esi Mpeninsem eye no esi kokoti esan say ne fans for catch ne say on change akwara ne din na onye no esi kokoti e no change din no ye ne esi kokoti edin Mpeninsem no de be you ayi edin no afri akwara no e obi a na yi so ode amamo afie ba ne sen ena maame wa ba bonde ne say be you ex manager abekese se be ye kura ank edin Mpeninsem no mo ba gidin na na so mo gidin na afri Monsem nti se mo gidin ni dia ene be you so nkonko delete videos a woni Akete Mpeninsem aye bia onim me ka no kro bia kire mo maame no enye se kasa nkwa na o kasa keko ne monim ne enti maame no o kasa enye edin na wo mo ngi mfi ye friends edin Mpeninsem na be you ege a ene ye ne ya a enti wo kasa asem no omo create Facebook page ene omo ye no Akete Mpeninsem na Facebook page no omo ye na Akete Mpeninsem no eba na there are other people so omo use din na Akete Mpeninsem so they thought say e be you ne create say Akete Mpeninsem page no which unfortunately na enye say be you ena na create yet na they were doing everything possible say they will disgrace that particular page other pages normally na Akete Mpeninsem so they went and they took a screenshot of those pages and omo de beto wo mo die normally na Akete Mpeninsem omo de beto wo say this is the right Akete Mpeninsem page these ones are fake pages okay which means say omo kire mama for mu say page we na ya Akete Mpeninsem page we ni dia nya Akete Mpeninsem dia you never created any page for Akete Mpeninsem the only page I know use is BU comedy it just recently issues never knows okay it is necessary to create pages for other members now can no create page amakoku from pon is kokoti mo but on Akete Mpeninsem there no more page ba akompe which is the BU comedy. So to go on Facebook and search for Akete Mpeninsem, well, it is simple. It is much simple say or easier say you may end up finding the right page for Akete Mpeninsem. Now after everything, Uncle creative page Edema is your friends Akete Mpeninsem. And Akete Mpeninsem I think TV was official. Your friend is a YouTube. Now that is where the issue is. On creative page in some people came in to create another page. Also no Akete Mpeninsem. And aside that, creative page they wanted their followers and answer Nkwalana and one more do Akete to go and search the page. Nanka almost subscribe it. When you go on YouTube right now, me know Okasa is ya opako YouTube na kobo Akete Mpeninsem. Uno Akete Mpeninsem new page Everything you see, Akete Mpeninsem and BU, Akete Mpeninsem and BU comedy in Kwana Obeun. So they were people were finding it difficult to get the new Akete Mpeninsem page, you know. It's not a young ya, not a how I say, other than your creative page, ya ba Akete Mpeninsem. Now, if you are search Kurana, a year or ni BU, Nieman Kwana Eba. Because only BU Nieman Kwana Eba, no, okay, so the main page is BU comedy. It's just BU. The way I not caption the page, I getting who should be you videos BR or I getting paying some here now. I getting paying some this, I getting paying some that. They say you only AC Kukuti, you know. So people going in to search for getting paying some no, I be difficult for them now because every year getting paying some no, you are going to find BU comedy near getting paying some the videos no or. So they had no choice than to go and change the name and make it Wendy Akete TV or something. I'm more SM so much change the no. It didn't know much changing and favor warm and favor warm. So they think say nipa na o share chire na akoka chire Akete maame akacha Akete maame say ye be you comedy ni Akete Mpeninsem videos ni go on why na Akete Mpeninsem no. It is going to make them suffer and it is going to be difficult for people to recognize the new Akete Mpeninsem page, you know. It's a better omra bonten non frustrated system non can be you say only delete the videos no. Say be you there before could delete videos now search Akete Mpeninsem na wunya say videos no online there and it be easy for people to locate Akete Mpeninsem new page. Mommy, catch am sasem ya make am boa. Oga say na ye ba be YouTube wo. Oga say na ye ba social media ni mu. Catch am sasem ya make am me boa. Go need ya make answer and say so okache be you say on Akete Mpeninsem agya adwuma ye de a onkonko delete videos no on Akete Mpeninsem that wo de a na maame me so make catch wo say wo ma no start say na wo ton wo niema ne ade enne adwuma na ye kese na sankofo no nti wo nche bi no matu afiri wo no maame adwuma no gu no na sa sha se bi gu no why ko catch wo say kwa me despite say wo ma no share adwuma se na no ye na adwuma ye bia this way chocolate drink na no oye no oguso awoye no wo mo no mo sha ase na enne sankofo na dia adwuma no ye no adwuma mo ye gu wo ni nyina no papa no ntu ni nyina nkogu onfa ni nyina nkogu nsuo asema na to kansa ade na ase madam ugu ani ma asesa ade na ase ugu ani ma asesa like nipa na o hye wachi no on kan yansasem bia nkyerɛ oba na o kan asem bia kyerɛ na wo so wa sorry na wa betena social media so na wo kan ne woni BU videos na on Akete Mpeninsem ye na egu on wantua mo kana wa ma osika. You keep on saying say only akore na gya adwuma for the past 3 months ni ontua. Yes, it is true. BU is not having any new video on Akete Mpeninsem aye. Ever since BU started so on esikokoti ye adwuma no, he doesn't have any video on the last video BU ewa or that was somewhere December ni mu no Akete Mpeninsem video no start to early December. And that December ni mu so no na month no kwa awie ba otua amoka. That December na month no kwa awie yo otua amoka. And send a general or sansoma we ukunu 1,000 Ghana cedis. So BU has no business with you guys anymore. On Jobano net and Jobano China Fanimo obi fufro. Or you think without Akete Mpeninsem BU comedy on Tumpoana? He is ready to bring in another Apalaketwa or yet even smarter than Akete Mpeninsem. Trust me, I'm telling you the truth. And Ghana for you never know. Akete Mpeninsem na who say, bia without hair no BU comedy can no go. Let me tell you one thing. There's one thing a woman will like here, and there's one thing most Ghanaians don't know. BU comedy as a person, the guy is talented. Boy, no, or you're talented, or you're good, or you're creative. BU ekoye ordinary person bi say onim ye oya akasambri nkan comedy na ba form. The guy, he's talented, he's gifted, or you're creative. Eti everything I want you be an okofa kola for the bar. It is going to be massive, trust me. Ti madam, Mr. Mo page na mo bie na mkofo hunu en subscribing and ntia ya wo ya wo kase bi unko delete videos no. Only delete na delete na china. Opa wan kasa be delete videos no. Ana opa court na wo Ghana ha no fa bi fa court. So no ba na ya adwuma, the videos no delete. Yes ye beba. Why? Ye beba. Ghana phone bi na hyehyɛ wachi na yem pese ye beka no kra kyerɛw. Ene nkofo bi hyehyɛ wachi on pese on beka no kra kyerɛw no. Madam, me din kan asem we from beginning asem we see ye me fa phone efrɛw Okay, can what dream be bree? I have the recording here. We're recording now with phone, so I hope say me did it, but I have the recording here. Oh, my phone, so okay, can what say be actually me. Now me person me ma what say the fact that what Jack or anything be you same issue. Na mmom sɛ akwala no ɛbɛsi aba bɔntene abɛyɛ Akete biem no yɛnhwɛ yɛte Ghana ha ade nti na Akete Mpeninsem video mo de baako pɛto mo fa biem to hɔ sɛ YouTube na da hɔ kwa ɛyɛ free mo post to keep on posting ade na mo gyae okay say easy easy and kobia so now you think people don't know say you can make money on YouTube. A lot of people are aware say you can make money on YouTube. Ade nti na sankofo no mo nkɔyɛ video ni bi. You think it's easy? You think it's easy say oh sorry you are not making money on YouTube. Post to keep on. Kika won sem ne nea wo kan ni naka. Wo ho kura ya ehimo wo nim. Nea wo ye no, o ya ma ho kura ya ehimo. Nipa kakra san so pa wo ba na sem kura na be san atwe mo ho. Eti emu de en kasa bebre. Mo yi na ma create na enkoye ma mo na mo ani mu gu ase na asa amanfo ntumi nko subscribe because obi akosachi Akete Mpeninsem ma eye bi yu ho ayi na wo hu no. Ene na ye mo ya. Enipa na o hye mo ase no onim YouTube no mu kakra to aka no kora na kyerɛ mo ɔka kyerɛ mo no na ɛyɛ mo ya but trust me old man 10 years okosachi Akete Mpeninsem a ɛyɛ biu comedy na bɛba nti mo achingi na mo chingi no na mo nyɛ more videos sɛ mo yɛ more videos a mo bɛba be trend and this idea forget it na gya sɛ wo kasa bebree no and Akete Mpeninsem trend no onya ne sika ɛmfa obi aho at the end of the month biu benya ne deɛ mo so benya mo deɛ YouTube ɛnyɛ mo deɛ o enye Ghana for dia enya asante for dia enye nzema for dia enye nordness for dia na enya awana for dia eye mrofo na ye YouTube ni nyina Ghana for ye didi ho nkakra enti mo ade mo ba na mo nye YouTube no videos ni bi fengo na me insha mo se mo ko so hwe Emadek ye be ka so aka no kre you comedy to the world be you ena obi aye ne nam ena ne oye no o akoma pa I have been with this guy for some time now and minim so o akoma pa wo ben na obon so o akoma pa oni enya wo ọbẹboa wo ẹmọ ní ma kọ yie nyame nhyira mo sẹ mo kọ so ahwẹ Emadek.